Hey guys, my name is Vish, and today I'm here with Rainbow Chefs Academy to make fast, easy, and healthy deviled eggs. Now, I'm going to show you my mise en place, which is basically all my ingredients out here measured out in place. So we have Greek yogurt, Dijon mustard, paprika, some Himalayan salt, our boiled eggs, and all of our cutlery that we're going to use to make our deviled eggs. So let's get started. So over here we already have our eggs boiled. So now I'm just going to show you how to peel the eggs. So it's pretty fun actually. So we go pop, and all we do is peel it off real easily. Comes off naturally, and you repeat this for the other 6 eggs that we have. And now after we've peeled off all of our eggs, now we're going to cut them in half. So we're going to be using some dangerous tools, and one way that top chefs all across the world, use to cut these ingredients are by using a claw. So I'm going to hold my hand like a claw, grab the egg, take my knife, and bam, vertical motions. Okay, now that we have all of our eggs cut out like this, we're going to take a spoon and scoop out the yolk into another bowl. And we're going to keep the white over here. We're going to save that for later. Okay, now we have all of our yolks here in this bowl. So what we're going to do, we're going to take all of our food ingredients here and mix them up with this. So we need a 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. While I'm doing this, I like to think about all the good things that I've done today. I guess wake up in the morning, eat breakfast, say hi to my parents, and then after this, I'm gonna have them eat these delicious deviled eggs. And yeah, now we have our entire mixture ready to be mashed. Now this is the fun part. I'm just gonna take my fork and just like swirl it around, mix it like that. Oh yeah. So we're going to keep on doing this till it's nice and creamy, so no solid chunks. Alright, now after we're done mashing these up, we're going to put our paste into our white yolks from before. There. And now I'm going to plate them up here. So 50% of the job is actually making the dish. The other 50% is about making it look good. Alright, so what I'm going to do over here is I'm going to show you guys a little bit of how to plate your dish. Okay? So typically what you want to do is you want to think about the meal that you're trying to present. This is sort of like a breakfast-y type of thing that you're going to be doing. So maybe I'll throw in a strawberry or two. But this is also like outside stuff. Like right now we have our delicious deviled eggs. But I want to plate it up, make it look good, present it to my family. So I'm going to throw in a strawberry, maybe throw in a blueberry or two, maybe put in asparagus, make it healthy, make it look good, and then we have a beautiful dish. We have great food. It was fast, easy. This probably took me like 5 minutes to do. And yeah, this is a healthy option for you to eat at home as compared to going out to Chipotle and getting some junk food. So thank you guys so much for joining me today. I'm really hoping you guys will be able to do something. Give a thumbs up on the video and smash that subscribe button. I'm gonna taste this and let's see how it went out. Did I really just make that?